My goal when I joined Rise Up Rent program was to get 10 deals within a space of 3 months, right? Since joining Kenny, we're 50% way through. So we're right on our goals, and yeah, very happy. We wanted 10 because 10 was a round figure. We could work towards that. Since we've set that goal now, we've looked at our numbers and we've actually said to ourselves, it's not about how many properties anymore. It's now about what the cash flow each properties are getting us. So we've rejigged that and we've now set a monthly figure that we need to be getting into, and that's what we're working towards now. For us, it's the one-to-one. So I've signed up for multiple programs in the past, and the way Kenny has helped, the way Kenny has come up, is that one-to-one element. That's what I need. That's what we wanted. That's what we didn't get in the other programs. So yeah. So watching Kenny on the journey, doing, not just talking the talk, walking the walk, that was a plus for me. I mean, it was a plus for us. I keep saying us because we've got a company that I am representing, and this was a strategy. We wanted to bring on board requirements, less capital involvement. We can cash flow easily, and we can, use scale up basically. And seeing Kenny doing that, so talking about his journey, what he does on a daily basis, that resonates, and yeah. Initially, when we started, because we've got other businesses and we're very poor on time, it took more than a month. That was because we didn't take the action. So when you join up, you've got set actions you have to take on a daily basis. So not taking the actions means there's deficits. The minute we start to take the action, we start to see the return on taking those actions. So yeah. 5. We wanted 10 initially, number 5. And as I said previously, we are looking at, it's now it's not about the properties anymore. It's the return on investments, it's the cash we're getting in, and that's our new metric now. We don't use numbers anymore, because we could get to the 10 and still not meet the financial goals. So now we've changed that around. Biggest game changer so far is setting the targets, being able to take action on those targets, and there's an accountability call we get on weekly. So game changer for us is that nurturing that journey, and having someone there and helping you, and we know we can call out goals and set up steps to get to those goals. So yeah, don't think, join.